Let's start with a little game. Don't think too hard about each question. Just go with your first thought. Who do you think is the doctor? Which two people are married? Who is learning English? Who is an athlete? Who is good with computers? Who will order lunch for the team meeting and tidy up afterward? If your first thought was that this is the doctor, you would be like most people. Many people have an image of a middle-aged man in their mind when they think of a doctor. This is because our brains are really good at finding patterns in your life experience and in the movies or TV shows you've watched. You might have mostly seen middle-aged male people as doctors. So, your brain sees a pattern and assumes the middle-aged man is the doctor. It's like a shortcut for the brain to quickly sort a lot of information into categories. It is completely normal, and everyone does it. It is called unconscious bias. This means that we make assumptions about people without even knowing it. But what does it mean for the person in our example who was actually the doctor? Because she doesn't fit neatly into the categories created in our brains, she might experience discrimination. People might make negative assumptions based on her age, ability, race, or appearance. It probably affects how she's treated by her coworkers and patients, whether she gets promotions, and even how she thinks about herself. As you can see, unconscious bias can be harmful. With a little bit of work, everyone can start to recognize their own unconscious biases before they negatively affect others. If you looked at this picture and thought, I wonder if it might be a same-sex couple, or maybe two people from different races, you're right. If you had those thoughts, you are already challenging your unconscious biases. Let's look at the groups of people again. For each one, ask yourself, what common bias might be happening here? What are my biases? Who is learning English? Who is an athlete? Who is good with computers? Who will order lunch for the team meeting and tidy up afterward? What kinds of unconscious biases might people have about you? Just as you have done in this activity, start to think about bias at work and in your everyday life. Once you begin to recognize your own unconscious biases, you will start to change the way you think about others. As more people learn about unconscious bias and start to challenge them, our society will have fewer barriers for everyone.